Freedom. Let's go.
Was it?
Like sheepdog.
Looks like
I like eyes close, yeah.
Very close. Oh, look out. He's
coming in for love.
Yeah. He's just a baby. He's like 7 months old.
You look like a baby.
Yeah.
That would be why I confused
Yeah.
you. They look very similar.
First show. She's like, oh, hey.
Hold those ribbons up. It's on a video.
Did you get Deb in there?
Yeah.
Good.
What's your name? What's your name?
Jackie.
I'm Henry.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Deb. This is Linda.
Hi. Did you do anything today?
I finished my very first home brand champion and my first brand champion.
Nice.
All over here.
Wow.
Good job.
And aside from
There he is with the lady with the blue, Linda with the blue. Uh-huh. Yep. There's freedom. He's in with the best of breed of all the other breeds. Puppy's never to pick, but he's getting experience. He's the only puppy out there.